Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to remove PayPal from Google Play Store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official PayPal website right here, paypal.com. If you've not already, go ahead and open it up, and once you do, you're going to go and be greeted by the main page. In the main page in the upper right corner, we can get started logging into your account. If you do not already have an account, you can just click the sign up button, and after signing up, you can now get started. So once we log into our account, you'll be greeted by this home page where we can take a look at all our info, such as our PayPal balance, our recent activity, we can send money, request money, and so on. And now we can get started. So basically guys, if you want to go and remove your PayPal from your Google Play Store, it's very easy. You can do it either directly from your Google Play Store by going up there and opening up your settings, and from your settings managing your payment options. There you'll be able to remove PayPal as one of the payment options, and it's going to unlink your accounts. But if you want to do it directly from the PayPal website, this is how you can do it, and we're going to go and be opening up our settings option. So here in the upper right corner, you're going to have this gear icon. This gear icon, once you open up, is going to open up this settings options right here guys, where you can manage your account settings, your security settings, data and privacy, and so on, all the options that you have for settings. And one of the options in data and privacy is what you want to open. So open data and privacy, and now this is going to open up this new menu with settings, and one of the options is going to be called permissions you've given. So once you open up permissions you're given, you'll be able to take a look at all the list where your PayPal is connected, and there you can go and find Google Play Store, and from here you can just unlink those two, so your PayPal is no longer going to be connected to your Google Play Store, and that's how you can link those two, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and